Hi wakeboarding and wakesurfing fans, we're going to do a walkthrough of the MBSports boat B52. MBSports prides itself on having one of the most experienced gel coat technicians and also uses the same high-tech hull manufacturing process as the aerospace industry. You can see the gel coat quality right here, with the hull made with resin-infused technology which is used to strengthen the boat hull. What's different with resin infusion is that you take the mold and you place plastic over it and it's sealed. You then create a vacuum which goes down to less than 1 atmosphere. The air pressure forces the resin into the system, which goes through the material and creates a very consistent and strong process. The large bimini on this boat can be used to store surfboards as well as protect you from the sun and rain. The interior's got lots of space, great seating, high quality vinyl, resistant to tough marine conditions. Great sound system. We're looking at the subwoofer here behind the driver's seat. Speakers located around the passenger seating. Upgrade the sound system to include tower speakers. The screens used on this boat are tough and strong. You don't have to worry about salt water damaging these screens over here. The center trim tab can easily be adjusted so you can get on the plane easily, or adjust your wake surfing and wakeboarding wake in conjunction with your port and starboard wake surfing trim tabs. All wake surfing trim tabs are fully electric, which means much less maintenance than hydraulic tabs. The best part of MBBoats is their gravity-fed fast fuel ballast system. Open the large gate valves, which are approximately 4 inches, allowing loads of water to flood into the ballast tanks. The large size of the gate valves and the fact that these gate valves are located well below the waterline means that the water just floods in and you're not waiting on some slow pumps to slowly fill your ballast. 2,800 pounds of water will fill your subfloor ballast tanks within 2.5 minutes or less. Close the gate valves and you're ready to surf. When you're finished surfing, open the gate valves, drive your boat, and gravity force the water out. This dial shows how full your subfloor ballast tanks are. One flick of the switch and you can see your port tanks. Another turn on the switch and you can see your starboard tanks. Now some people have complained that these gate valves using electrical motors can fail. And that's true, and that's a real problem that other competing boat manufacturers have not been able to fix. Quick solution from MBBoats. Use a simple wire-operated gate valve solution. Pushing the switch down opens the large gate valves, lifting them up closes them. No motors, no electrical switches, nothing that can fail in tough marine conditions. These wire-operated gate valve switches are much more robust, much more reliable, much better for the tough marine conditions we get here in Asia Pacific. For real surfers, we have additional 2,200 pounds of ballast bags in the port and starboard rear lockers. Once the subfloor tanks are full, close the gate valves that feed these subfloor tanks and turn on the pumps to fill these ballast bags. We also have front ballast bags right on the nose of the boat, not under the bow seats, which means you save a lot of space and you put the ballast in the perfect position. These additional ballast bags will give you loads of push. They're right located in these port and starboard rear lockers right here. Empty these extra ballast bags, just open the gate valves, drive, and the bags will drain into the subfloor ballast tanks and out through the gate valves. This is a standard petrol Inmar 6.2 litre 400 horsepower engine, or if you want to save fuel and get more torque, then upgrade to the turbo diesel Cruiser engine. A lot more torque, less maintenance, a lot of power with these fantastic turbo diesel engines. Now let's have a look at the subfloor 2,800 pound ballast tanks. We're under the floor of the boat, as you can see here. These are genuine subfloor ballast tanks that are fiberglassed in, not just ballast bags with a fake floor placed on top like other boat companies. It means you have a genuine saving on storage space. No longer do you have to worry about where you're going to put the life jackets, drinks, or whatever. They can all fit in your lockers like normal. You've got all that space saved with these big subfloor ballast tanks. High quality seating, 400 pound ballast bags in the front, in the nose of the boat, 2,800 pound subfloor ballast tanks, 2,200 pound extra ballast bags in the rear lockers. The B52 has a grand total of 5,400 pounds of ballast, with an option to upgrade to turbo diesel engines with lots of torque and fuel efficiency. This is a cost-effective wake surfing machine.